Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to start off the new year with a mini series on my channel, something along the lines with getting your life together and resetting and focusing on your goals for the new year. I filmed this really cute introduction explaining the mini series on my channel, but of course I lost the footage and all I got was this.
So I'm excited about that.
So hopefully you don't mind this voiceover, and what better way to start off this series than with a deep clean with me video. I mainly clean the parts that I hate cleaning the most and I push off and I kind of leave it there until it gets really gross. As you can see, my bathrooms are really gross. I hate cleaning that. This is one of the things that I'm trying to focus on this year, trying to just get things done when they need to get done instead of just leaving them off for later and having things pile up on my to-do list. I'm really excited about this mini series that I have going on. I have a 5 a.m. morning routine because I get up pretty early to commute to work, so I'm excited about that, and I have a lot of fitness things and house updates, so I hope you guys are excited about this. And if you like this type of video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel below. And if you guys are interested in how I'm furnishing my home and what I do on a daily basis, don't forget to look a sister up on Instagram. I post pretty frequently, almost daily. So yeah, I think I'm pretty much done rambling for real this time. I'll see you guys in my next video, and thank you so much for watching.